Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a brand new Facebook account when old one is lost. First of all, open your Facebook account and then click on create your account or sign in, and then after you tap sign in, enter your name and then enter your date of birth. After that, click next. After that, click on how old are you, and then next pick your gender, and then you can either put your mobile number or you can sign up with your email instead. After you put in your mobile number, you will have to type in a very strong password so no one can hack into your account, and then you should agree to Facebook's strawman policies. Next, put in your confirmation code, and then if you want, you can add your profile picture, or if you don't want to, you can skip it, and there you go. This is how you guys can sign up your Facebook or create a brand new account. Safety tip: do not use the same password as your old account. Quick fix: use a web browser if the app blocks sign in. And that's it.